Hello friends, welcome back to the Craft Castle. My name is Ashley, and in a previous live stream video, we created this custom gable box using the app called Canva. Custom gable boxes right now are extremely popular over on Etsy. Everyone's making them and they're making a whole lot of money selling them. Now, that being said, during that live stream, I did show you an app within Canva. It's a paid for app. I paid for it and then I showed you it doesn't work, which sucks because I wasted my money. Now, while I was talking about this app, a viewer suggested that I go to another website that does custom frames for Canva for free. So best believe when I ended my live stream, I went straight to that website and did a deep dive. It took me like 3-4 hours, a really long time. My eyes were really sore, but I figured it out. I figured out how to use this website to make custom Canva frames for free that we're gonna be able to use in Canva. Did that make sense? Hopefully I got you there. If you are watching this, you probably know what frames are from Canva, and they are muy importante. And we are going to use this website today to create free Canva frames. Did you hear me say the word free? Yes, free. Now, before we get into the website, I want to show you the app that I was using, because if it works for you, that's cool. You get like 4 free tries at it. If it doesn't work for you, don't spend your money, because I can tell you, even if you spend the money, it still doesn't work for me. All right, so let's go to the computer. I'm going to show you that app that's within Canva, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to create free frames using a different website that we're going to upload into Canva, and it all just be free. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. So for today, it's gonna look like I started out in the middle of a project. I promise you I didn't. This right here is where I left you off at in the live stream video of making this custom gable box. So if you wanted to learn how to make your own custom gable box, you're gonna wanna go ahead and watch the live stream replay of how we made this. But first, what I wanna do is show you that app. Now, I'm only showing you this app for 2 things. First, if it ends up working for you, great, because staying all within Canva is something that I really would love to do. Now, if it doesn't work for you, I am now going to show you a solution to make sure that you can make your own custom frames for Canva. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is just add a page. I just want a blank page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over into my uploads, because I've already uploaded an SVG file of the gable box that I already own. I've made this custom gable box using my own template from my cardstock warehouse. So then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to apps. Now, I already have it right here, but what you want to do is because you probably now already have the app, you want to search for it. And what that is image to frame. Click on that. And this right here is what you want to select. Now, I already have it downloaded, so it's already going to be up for me. Now what I'm going to do is, with my SVG file that I've already created and added to my canvas, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this image to frame. Okay, do you see this new frame that's popped up? And do you see how weird it is right here? This is not this back here. That's a problem. Now you're probably saying, well, Ashley, it was an SVG file. Up here, it says acceptable formats, SVG, PNG, and JPEG. So let me just show you a different one. This right here is going to be the JPEG of my SVG file that's right here. So doing the same thing, I'm going to come down here to the image to frame, and I'm going to convert my image to frame. And this is what I get, something that looks like this. This handle portion right here is not what it's supposed to look like back here. That's a problem. That's not cute. So I don't know why this app is functioning the way that it is. I have tried other squares, circles, shapes, images. I have tried everything and it just will not work. Now, when you download this app, you do get 4 free uses. I want you to be very mindful when you try this app out. If you cannot get it to work within the 4 free uses, do not pay the extra money for the subscription. I did. I made the mistake and paid for the extra subscription thinking that it would work, and it doesn't. So just keep that in mind. What you want to do now though is open up a new window in your web browser, and you want to put in the website figma.com. This website is free. Now they do have paid for versions, but we're not going to pay for anything. We are going to create an account and we are going to do the free version. Do not pay for anything. So I'm just going to log into my account. Okay, the next thing you want to do is have a background saved to your computer. If you already have one, great. If you don't, all you need to do is open up a new tab in your internet, and then you're just going to put in background. Go over into images and just select one of these backgrounds. This blue one looks good to me. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to press save image to downloads. Now what I'm going to do is go back over into Figma. So I'm going to show you how you can create custom frames within Figma for free 2 ways. Very first way is just by using their own design tools. So I'm going to go over here to new design file. And then what I want to do is I'm just going to create a funky little shape. So I'm going to take this pen tool and I'm going to draw a shape, just whatever type of shape that I want to draw. I'm just going to draw it and I'm going to make sure that it closes together. So this like wrench looking thing, this right here is one closed shape, right? Looks good, looks perfect. Then what I'm going to do is come over here to fill, click on the fill, and I want to change this over to a picture. So over here to image. Then what I want to do is swap the image. So I'm going to click on my image and I'm going to find that background that I saved onto my computer and press upload. Then what I'm going to do is come down here to export, and I want to export this as a PDF. Now all I want to do is press export vector. It is going to automatically go into my downloads folder, which is down here. Then what I'm going to do is go back into Canva. At the very top of Canva, you're going to see this little button that says upload. Click upload. Then what we want to do is find that PDF file that we just downloaded, and we're going to drag and drop it into Canva. We're going to wait for it to completely download. Then when it's downloaded, you just want to click on it. Now this right here is going to look exactly like what was in Figma, and it's not going to look like one of those really cool custom frames that you always see over in Canva. What you want to do is just click on your picture and delete. Click on your picture again and delete it. So here is that custom frame that you created. Now, if you wanted to sell this custom frame or use it for something else or do whatever you want with it, all you would need to do is go up here to share and press download. What you want to do is change this PNG file over to PDF standard and then just press download. It's going to download into your downloads folder. Let's just add in a page to my current project that I'm working on, and I'm going to drag and drop that PDF file into the new page. Okay, this right here is that PDF file, so I'm going to click on it. And this right here is our custom frame. So you can sell this if you wanted to, give this to somebody else if you wanted to. And just to show you that it works, all I'm going to do is put in background within Canva. I'm going to add in a custom background, and I'm going to add this to my frame. And you can see it automatically drops into the frame perfectly. This right here is how to make your own custom frame using just what you have within Figma. All right, now that we got the easiest part done, I'm sure that you're trying to figure out how to create your own frames using PNG files that you have already saved on your computer or that you find online. So what you want to do is head back over into Figma. I'm just going to take this custom frame that we created and just moved it off to the side. What I am going to do now is find my PNG file of that Gable box that I've already created for my cardstock warehouse. So I'm going to find it in my downloads file and drag and drop it into Figma. Let's just zoom out, pressing the minus key on my computer. Now what I want to do is I'm going to come over here to this 4 little dots right here. This is technically called the action button. Now over here, what we want to do is go over into plugins and widgets. Now you can see that I already have the app already put on my computer, but if you do not have this, what you need to do is just search up either tracer or image trace. When you do image trace, you will get a whole bunch of different apps. Some are paid for, some are free. Like I said, I am going to be using a free app called Tracer. What I'm going to do is just click on the app and press Trace Selection Simple. Because this Gable box is only one color, it is only a simple design, so I really only need a simple trace. We're going to press Get Started. I'm going to click on my Gable box and press Let the Magic Happen. This right here is going to be my traced image. This right here is my PNG file that I uploaded into Figma. This one that is mine, I just want to delete. Now I can exit out of the app. And this right here is going to be what we are going to work with. Doing the same steps that we did with our custom frame. All you want to do is have your trace selected. You want to come over here to fill and change it over to image. At the image, we want to swap image, finding that background that we've downloaded and press upload. Now what we want to do is come down here to export. And we're going to export this as a PDF and press Export Vector. Going back over into Canva, I'm just going to add a page to my current design that we were working on. And I'm going to drag and drop that PDF file that we've created. It's going to take a second to upload. When it's done uploading, you just want to click. Now, just like what we did before, you just want to take your picture and delete. And this right here is your custom frame. This is what I was trying to create using that app in Canva, but I did this all for free using Figma. Now the same thing what we did before. If you are trying to sell this custom frame, all you would need to do is just press share and then download. I only want to save my current page that I'm on, which is 3. And I want to change it over from PNG to PDF standard and then just press download. When it gets done downloading and it goes into your download folder, same thing we've done before, we are going to add a new page and we are going to find that new PDF file that we've downloaded and add it into Canva. It's going to take a second to download. When it does, you just want to click on your frame. This right here is the frame, custom frame that we've created for free using Figma. Just to show you that it does work, we are going to go back into Elements and we're going to search for a different, let's just search for add in a different background. And let's put in this, let's put in this one right here. We're just going to click on it and place it into our frame. And that's it. Now you know how to create your own custom frames for free for Canva. I sure hope you found this video super helpful. And on my end, I'm going to keep playing around with that website because if I can create free frames for Canva, I kind of figure maybe there's going to be something else that we can do with that website for free. I'm not entirely sure. Have you seen this website before? Let me know in the comments of this video because honestly, it's never come on my radar until the other day. All right, y'all, I sure hope I inspired you to create and I'll see you later.